Welcome to this video in the Ianiro series about LED lighting, where we're looking in particular at the Gulliver and Varibeam units. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the type of light output by these and other LED units. Like a lot of new technologies, LEDs are only slowly starting to reveal their darker side. Namely, that because they're a point source of lighting, they have an intense effect on the back of the retina and often leave spots in front of the eyes. This can last from a few minutes to a few hours, and in fact some television presenters complain that after doing a show in a studio with certain types of LED lighting, they have spots in front of their eyes for the rest of the day. They've even coined a phrase for this: lead eye. The reason is the size of the source. A small point source concentrated on the retina affects the sensitivity. It's the same as looking at the sun or another strong source. In some cases, where there's a lot of ultraviolet or UV light present, this can actually cause permanent eye damage. Some manufacturers like to give the impression that a unit consisting of hundreds of LEDs is the same as one large soft source. It's not. Hundreds of LEDs mean hundreds of point sources, and it's these point sources which cause problems with the eyes. Ianiro LEDs, like the Varibeam and Gulliver, use a very cleverly designed monocluster, which works like a semi-hard source. Let's have a look at the face of the unit to see what makes the Ianiro Varibeam LED so unique. Well, firstly, it has the properties of the hard source without the disadvantages normally associated with LEDs. A particular advantage of the monocluster source and the cleverly designed parabolic reflector is that the light from Ianiro units can be a lot better controlled than from, say, a panel unit. It also means that we can use barn doors effectively to shape the beam, something again not normally possible with most LED units. Ianiro units have been subjected to a number of photobiological tests, and as a result, lead eye is not a problem. And just like with tungsten and HMI sources, if you want a really soft source, you just add a softbox. And we'll be talking more about softboxes in diffusion in a later video. If you would like further information or would like to see other videos in this series, simply go to the website www.ianiro.com.